Okay, so for number 1, you're given the slope and you're given the y-intercept. So we have an equation that's really easy to work with there. Y equals mx plus b. And I would just plug in negative 5/7 for slope. And I would plug in 13 for the y-intercept, which is b. And you've got your equation. So y equals negative 5/7 x plus 13. You could have also written this in point slope form if you recognize that another way to write your y-intercept is 0, 13, in which case we still have the slope is negative 5/7, but now we have 13 that will go in for y1, and we have 0 that will go in for x1. So we have the same kind of substitution happening here. It'll be y minus 13 equals m, which is negative 5/7, times x minus 0, which, I mean, guys, here's what it ends up being. Y minus 13 equals negative 5/7 x. And if you add 13 to both sides, you get the same equation that I have written over there.